Hello, what security steps should I take for online trading? Swing Trading Chart Analysis of ORLY. Well, when it comes to securities, I will say, just make sure you are using a good internet, to access your account. Meaning, at home, your own home internet will be the safest one. But if you are going to open your account online while you are out, you want to think twice about what kind of public internet you are using to access online account. So, and a lot of times when you are trying to use those internet to open your account, it will ask you about how how you trust the device you are using. That brings us to number 2. It's good to have your own laptop that you can use to swim trading. You can just buy about around $300 worth of laptop, and we have a discussion regarding a basic laptop that you can use to swing trade. I don't use cell phone, so I cannot really I don't use cell phone for trading. Therefore, I cannot really give you advice related to cell phone, but you should be able to access your account using your cell phone as well. And if you have a data on your cell phone, so that means you have your own internet that on the go you could be able to access your phone. I just don't think you will have a good of a screen and to for all the feature you wanted to access, especially if you are used to using a laptop to access the same feature. So on the go, have your laptop with you. I have 2 laptops, yes, because laptops is a must for me, and it has been for a long time. And I have one that is a little bit heavy. That's what I'm using right now for because of videos, because I'm a content creator. For my video files, I have one that is a little more sophisticated that I use, but I have a light one that cost me around $300. That is lighter, that I like to take on the go. Like yesterday, going to the office, that's what I took with me there. Even though I didn't trade it, I just use it to listen to YouTube, using like a podcast to listen to something while I'm working. But yes, you can have your own laptop. That way you are accessing, even if you are using public internet, you are using your own device to open your account. Be careful opening your account using a public computers. So it might be better you do not do that and just save money to buy your own laptop to use. And if you are going to use public internet to access your account, you want to see what kind, if it is safe to do so as well. I go to the library, like university library, and I can access those accounts there because I think their internet is fine. So, but I use my own device. So those are the 2 things that I would just bring up. I'm not an IT person. I have business degree, so IT is not really a strength of mine, but those are things that I do for myself, when it comes to swing trading, and that's all I'm sharing with you. So now let's check our stock of the day. It's going to be ORLY. Should we buy ORLY today or not? And today is January 6th, 2026. Using maximum daily chart, is ORLY a buy today or not? It is not a buy today. Using long option on swing trading strategy we are using, it is not a buy today. And why is that? We have this purple support line which is the valley line we like to buy at. There is another one down below there, but this is the first one, the valley line that we like to buy at, and right now it's not there. Yesterday the prices was green. The market opened and closed at a higher price than the price it opens in the morning. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from 0 up. Looking at where the price is, where is it coming from? From the valley or from the top of the mountain? It's coming from the top of the mountain. So from the top of the mountain is going to the valley, but it has not reached it yet. So therefore, it is not a buy. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, Liberman Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. The way we analyze ORLY is the way we do our chart analysis. If you like our swing trading strategy and like to use it to swing trade, you are unsure, you are doing your chart analysis well and like to practice and get feedback, will you please check our online store liberdownload.com for our small group online workshop that we organize during the weekend to see if you're interested and reserve a spot. Thank you so much for your time. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video, how to start swing trading step by step using long options and other playlists related to swing trading as well. They are all in the description of this video. Thank you.